Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the Magento 2 Multi-Step Vendor Signup extension. Create dynamic, multi-stage registration forms with full control over input types, from text to file uploads. Efficient, customizable, and built for scale. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. We begin by logging into the admin panel, then navigate to Stores, Configuration. Under the Webkul section, we can see the multi-step vendor registration option. Here, we select Yes to enable the module or No to disable it, and configure additional options like showing address fields, payment fields, and social fields. We can also enable fields related to social profiles and specify allowed file types and extensions. After configuring the module, we click on the Save Config button. A success message is then displayed. To create a group, we go to Marketplace Management, Vendor Registration Manager, Vendor Registration Group. Here, we can see all the created and default groups. To create a new group, we click on the Add New Group button, give it a name, set the sort order, and enable the module. After this, we click on Save Group, and a success message is displayed. We can also see our newly created group here. The next step is to add custom fields to each step. We navigate to Marketplace Management, Vendor Registration Manager, Vendor Registration Attribute. Here, we click on the Add Attribute button, enter a unique code and label, and choose the input type, such as text area, date, yes, no, and many more. We can mark the attribute as required or optional, give it a sort order, and assign it to a previously created group. After this, we click on Save Attribute, and a success message is displayed, confirming that the attribute has been created. Now, let us see the functionality of this module at the front end. On the storefront, customers see a vendor registration field. Clicking it starts the multi-step sign-up form. Each step displays its relevant fields along with Proceed and Back buttons. After completing all the steps, the vendor clicks on the Done button to submit the registration. This finalizes the registration with the data they entered across all the stages. Vendors can also check their data by clicking on the Click Here button and navigating to the seller profile. Here, all the data is displayed. In the admin panel, to edit a group, we navigate to Marketplace Management, Vendor Registration Group. By clicking on the Edit button, we can modify the group's name, sort order, and status. After editing, we click on Save Group. Similarly, we can edit attributes by navigating to Marketplace Management, Vendor Registration Attribute, and clicking on the Edit button. Here, we can change the default label, input field, sort order, and even change the group assigned to the attribute. So this is all about the multi-step vendor module. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.